Thank you for stopping by today and enjoy our channel. And please remember to hit subscribe. It will cost you nothing. Also, ring the bell and hit the like button if you would, but we appreciate it greatly. These people were straight up with, "We don't carry that." This company also told us, "We don't do that, we only have scooters." These folks also said, "We do scooters and don't carry that part." And these folks, I could not get through to them on their electronic switchboard. After calling these people twice and being told the same thing, "We'll have our technician call you back." It's never happened. And this fella, trying to tell me how hard it would be and impossible to get a tire, has never called me back either. These people were probably the nicest that I dealt with, although they told me that getting the parts that I needed would be very, very hard, and they knew of no one. I have used these people many a time for various reasons, but they were my Hail Mary and always a source of information. And this is what I needed, a 24-inch solid wheelchair tire. As you can see by the photographs, these were pretty well killing themselves. They were rotting away, chunking, etc. So definitely to change them out. Although they weren't as hard to change as one person had told me that I could probably not do it. The people at the bike shop said probably nothing, not any harder than changing a bicycle tire. So here we go, on to the next adventure. Here we are with a time lapse of me removing the openings and putting on the new tires. They were a little troublesome, but they weren't that hard, and it only took about 15 minutes to wheel. You know the drill of hitting the subscribe button so that YouTube can keep their count. If you would please, do it one more time. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.